So today I want to show you how to crochet this very nice and warm turtleneck hoodie. I will begin from the neck part and then work my way all the way up and show you every step of the way. So you can do this hoodie even only by following this tutorial. If you prefer to follow a written pattern, I will leave a link for that below. So let's get started on this one. First, a little about the materials for the yarn. I've used this Honey Bunny from Hobbii. You can see all the info right here. You can see it's a super bulky, weight 6, and it can be washed at a 40 degrees. And yeah, that's all the info. I will leave a link down in the description where you can find this yarn and something similar. And I will also write how much yarn you will need for this. Then I've used a 6mm hook and some scissors, and finally a tapestry needle. We begin with a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn, take the long end of the yarn behind the loop, grab it from the middle of your hook and pull. Then we create a chain of 30. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 30 times in total. When you have 30 chains, this should measure about 20 centimeters or just above 20 centimeters. Then we begin crocheting into these chains, and you skip the first one, move on to the second chain and single crochet. So insert the hook in the second chain and single crochet. And continue with one single crochet in every chain all the way across. And you chained up 30 and skip the first one, so you should have 29 single crochet when you're done with this row. And that's row 1. Now you chain 1 and turn. So chain 1, turn, and then we begin the back loop single crochet. So you skip the first chain, your turning chain, move on to the second, and you back loop single crochet into this stitch. So you insert your hook through the back loop of the stitch and single crochet. And find your next stitch, insert the hook through the back loop only and single crochet. Work one back loop single crochet in every stitch all the way across. When you make it all the way to the end, you chain 1 and repeat row 2 again and again. So one back loop single crochet in every stitch, back and forth, until it measures just above 50 centimeters. I have 52 centimeters and 22 centimeters tall. So now I fold it like this, so the ends meet, and then I will crochet a row of slip stitches all the way down to connect them. So put it double just like this, and then push your hook through both layers in every stitch, yarn over, pull through, in the next stitch, push your hook through both layers, pull through, push through both layers, grab the yarn, pull through, and then continue all the way to the other end. And when you make it all the way across, I just cut the yarn. Then pull the hook through the loop, and then I weave in these ends. I will do that later. Now I will turn it around so I have the wrong side on the inside, and you have the sewing together right here, and this is pretty much invisible, but I will though use this as the back side anyways. So I will turn it and then begin from here. So I will grab my hook, so this will now be the front. I will just insert the hook somewhere and then find the yarn again and attach it, tie a little knot just to get started, and then I will crochet one round of single crochet along the edge. So I will insert the hook and pick up a loop and yarn over and pull through, and then I will crochet one single crochet in every row. So I will do one single crochet here, 1 single crochet here, and here, and here, and so on. So just push in your hook, single crochet, and then find your next row, push in the hook, single crochet, and then the next one, single crochet, and just 1 single crochet for every row all the way around until you are back here. And when you are all the way at the other end, you will do 2 single crochet in the final one. So you just did 1, then make another single crochet in the same stitch, and then you chain 1 and turn. Then you skip your turning chain and work 2 single crochet in the next one. So skip your turning chain, insert the hook in the next stitch and single crochet, then work another single crochet in the same stitch, and then work 1 single crochet in the rest. So just continue with 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way to the other end. So just do 1 single crochet all the way to the other end. When you make it all the way to the other end, you do 2 single crochet in this final stitch, then you chain 1 and turn, and then you begin the same way with 2 single crochet in the first stitch. So 2 single crochet in the final and 2 single crochet in the first. So 2 single crochet in the first, 2 single crochet in the final, and then work your way back and forth. So I continued for 14 rounds like this, and this measures 14 centimeters on this direction, and it is 33 centimeters across. Now we will continue a bit further up, so we will stop increasing out here and we will just do rows without increasing at the end. So just chain 1 and turn, and then crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So no increases at the end and no creases at the beginning. So just do 1 single crochet in the final stitch and 1 single crochet in the first stitch, just back and forth, until the whole thing measures about 30 centimeters from the neck and up. Now we will close it on the top. So I just turned it so the inside is out. Find your hook, and then this is the neck part all the way on top. We will do a slip stitch through both layers all the way across. So you will just grab your hook and then push through both layers up here. Begin with 1, push through and slip stitch, then through both layers. I can zoom in just a bit. So through the next stitch, through both layers, grab the yarn, pull through, then the next stitch through both layers, pull through, push through both layers, grab the yarn, pull through, just continue all the way across. And when you're all the way across, you can simply cut the yarn and pull the hook through the loop. Then find your tapestry needle and weave in this end in here, just through some stitches back and forth, back and forth, and then weave in all the rest of the ends. And when you weaved in all ends, you can now turn it with the right side out. So you have your inside where you did the seam up here. You will just turn it, and then you are done. You have your turtleneck hoodie. And you can put it on and wear it in the freezing cold outside. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!